Firefighters were called to a home in Cary after a tree toppled over and smashed through this roof. This all happened around noon on Farmstead Drive. As of right now, there are no reports of injuries. Earlier this week, we talked with experts who say the combination of high winds and saturated soil from this week's rain could actually lead to more tree damage in the days ahead.
Work. So we want to make sure that you're safe before the storm hits so you don't have to pay for a new roof or something like that.
Tree service and landscaping crews say if you have concerns about trees at risk on your property, to have a licensed expert to do an assessment before the next storms hits. Also, a fallen tree disrupted traffic along North Carolina Highway 54.
Lanes along that road in South Durham were closed for several hours. CBS 17's Harrison Grubb joins us live. And Harrison, traffic appears to be getting back to normal now.
Yeah, traffic is definitely back to normal now, but DOT crews were here for a couple of hours working to clear a downed tree. North Carolina Highway 54 closed for several hours near the intersection of NC 751 after this large tree blocked both lanes of traffic. The tree came down along the significantly inundated New Hope Creek. According to data from the U.S. Geological Survey, the creek reached levels north of 11.5 feet just downstream this afternoon. That's less than half a foot than the record set in 2016. With two bouts of severe weather this week, tree experts warned of the risk of downed trees because of continued winds and the overly saturated ground. Now, the road was able to reopen around 4:30 this afternoon, and as I mentioned, tree experts have said if you have any sort of concerns about any trees in your yard, make sure to call an arborist. Live in Durham, Harrison Grubb, CBS 17 News.
Harrison, thanks so much.
Has agreed with our assessment that we need to postpone tomorrow's playoff game until 4:30 p.m. Monday afternoon.
That's the governor of New York.